Google's rolling out cool new visual search tools in AI mode, letting you search for images with natural language and save your results right away. In this video, we're diving into Google's exciting expansion of its AI mode. With advanced visual search, you can now search using images and natural language, shop effortlessly, and get spot-on results thanks to Gemini 2.5's multimodal tech. This update really boosts Google's game in the fast-changing AI and e-commerce world. Stick around for more. Google is rolling out a cool AI feature that lets you search for images using everyday language, fine-tune results, and shop right away. You can use both text and images, and each result links back to the original source. This feature taps into Gemini 2.5's cool multimodal skills, using a visual search fan-out method. It spots key elements in images and runs multiple searches to give you detailed answers. Shopping integration is all about making things easier. Users can say what they want, get spot-on product suggestions, and refine their search effortlessly. This feature runs on Google's Shopping Graph and launches in English in the USA. This update mixes visual searches with chatty questions. You can search, upload a photo, or kick things off with an image, then ask questions to get better results. Each image result links to its original source. Google's new features enhance visual search with Gemini 2.5's cool tools. Google's rolled out a cool new visual search feature that runs multiple background searches at once to give you way better results. Google says this approach is also being tested in other parts of its AI search, but hasn't shared technical details yet. Google's launching some awesome new visual search tools in AI mode. Now you can search images using your own words and save the results instantly. This update mixes visual searches with chatty questions. You can search, upload a photo, or start with an image and then ask questions to narrow down your results. Each image links back to where it originally came from. The new features enhance Google's visual search with Gemini 2.5's cool tools. Google just rolled out a cool new visual search method that combines images and text, running multiple searches at once for better results. Google's testing this method in other areas of its AI search, but they haven't spilled the beans on the tech details yet. Google's visual fan-out tech scans images and text, running background searches to give you better answers. Google's system can spot big objects and tiny details in images, running multiple searches at once to get the full picture. Shopping without filters. Shopping just got easier. Just say what you want in plain English. Searching for barrel jeans that aren't too wide gives you shoppable options, and you can easily refine it by asking for more ankle-length styles. You can even search right inside an image on mobile. Google's shopping feature runs on the Shopping Graph, keeping tabs on over 50 billion product listings and updating 2 billion entries every hour. The new visual AI mode drops initially in the US, in English. Google's rolled out cool new AI features in AI mode, like Gemini 2.5 Pro, deep search for subscribers, and an automated calling tool for local businesses. Earlier this year, at IU 2025, Google previewed AI-based features and personalized results. Project Mariner aims to let AI handle tasks like booking tickets and offering virtual try-on tools for clothing. Google's got some competition now that OpenAI's added shopping payments to ChatGPT. You can now shop instantly right in the chat. It kicks off with Etsy and will soon cover over 1 million Shopify stores. OpenAI and Stripe just rolled out the Agentic Commerce Protocol, a cool open-source way to shop right in the chat. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more.